Hello, welcome to ISP channels. Good evening to everybody. Jai Jagannath. Now starts the class Surds and Indices. Surds and Indices is a very important chapters in every competitive like SSC, banking, railway, ASO, or SSC, Csat, and or SSC. Any other government sector के लिए very important chapter है. Surds and Indices. देखिए 10 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे पार्ट 2 का. ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ (256 to the power 5/4)? Okay, your option is 512, 984, 1024, 1032. Okay, so look at the solutions. 256 को 256 to the power 5/4. So पहले 4 को हटाना चाहिए. So we can write 4 to the power 4. 256 को हम लिख सकते हैं 4 to the power 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. That is 256 to the power 5/4. Okay. So 4 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 4. 5/4. 4 पर cancel हो जाएगा. So 4 to the power 5 is equal to 1024. Okay. 1024. That is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay. That is 1024. So number 2 question देखिए. 1 divided by 216 to the power -2/3 divided by 1/27 to the power -4/3. So your option is 3/4, 4/9, 2/3, 1/8. Okay, so look at the solutions. So we know that 1/8 to the power -1. We can write 8 to the power. इसको 8 to the power 1 लिख सकते हैं. Okay, so we know that 8 to the power -1 is equal to 1/8. So a is equal to 1/8 to the power -1. So now we can write directly. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 216 to the power -1. Okay, to the power -2/3 divided by 1/27 को हम लिख सकते हैं 227 to the power -1 whole to the power -4/3. Okay, now we can write 216 directly multiply हो जाएगा ना. So -1 times 2/3 divided by 27 to the power -1 times -4/3. Okay, so now in the next step minus plus हो जाएगा ना. So 216 का हम लिख सकते हैं 6 to the power 3 times directly 2/3. 3 cancel हो जाएगा. Divided by 27 का हम लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power 3 to the power times 4/3. 3 cancels. Now 6 to the power 2 divided by 3 to the power 4 is equal to 6 to the power 6 का square 36 whole divided by 81. So now we 9 4 जा 9 9 जा 4/9. This is the answer. Okay. Now come to the third questions. देखिए Surds का very interesting question. Simplify the form of 7 plus 12 root 2 plus 3 plus 2 root 2. So now rational उनको रियल नंबर में आना पड़ेगा. So 2 plus root 3 उनका रिवर्स मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 2 root 2 ऊपर से 3 minus 2 root 2 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. उसके बाद क्या होगा देखिए. So 17 3 जा 17 into 3, then plus, then minus 17 times 2 root 2, then 12 into plus 3 into 12 root 2, then 12 root 2 minus 2 root 2, then 24 root 2 into root 2 whole divided by, this is a plus b a minus b, a plus b a minus b फॉर्मेट में है. So that is equal to a square minus b square. So 3 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 root 2 का स्क्वायर. उसके बाद क्या होगा देखिए. 17 into 3 that is 51. 17 into 2 root 2 that is 34 root 2 plus 12 3 is 36 root 2 that is 24 into 2 that is minus 48 whole divided by 3 का स्क्वायर. This is minus होगा. 3 का स्क्वायर minus 2 root 2, 9 minus 8. Okay. The next step we can write 51 minus 48, that is 3, minus 34 root 2 plus 36 root 2, that is equal to 2 root 2 divided by 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. This is the answer. 3 plus 2 root 2. Option C. Okay. Then come to the fourth questions. 7 to the power minus 1 minus 8 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 minus 3 to the power minus 1 minus 4 to the power minus 1 whole to the power minus 1 का वैल्यू कितना है. ऑप्शन 56 44 50 48. देखिए come to the solution. So we know that a to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. Okay, this is the formula. So apply this formula here. So we can write 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8 whole to the power minus 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 whole to the power minus 1. Okay, so now we can write 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8. तो हम लिख सकते हैं इनका एलसीएम कितना है. 7 8 का 56. सो क्रॉस कर देंगे तो 8 minus 1 हो जाएगा. माइनस इधर से 3 into 4 12 प्लस कर देंगे तो -4 -3 होल टू द पावर. इसका -1 है, इसका पावर -1 है. ओके, सो नाउ वी कैन राइट 1 by 56 माइनस उनका पावर -1, सो 1 by 12 का पावर -1 है. Okay, so directly we can write 56 minus 12, that is equal to 44. Because we know that 1 by a to the power minus 1 is equal to directly a. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, the option B is the correct answer. So now, come to the 5 questions. Number 5. Very interesting question. Very important question. Very important question. X is equal to root 2 plus 1 to the power minus 1 by 3. Then what is the value of x to the power 3 minus 1 by x to the power 3? The option is 0, minus 2, 2, none of these. So look at the solution. Very interesting questions. X is equal to, given x is equal to root 2 plus 1 to the power minus 1 by 3. So इसको हटाना चाहिए. Okay. So now, this is the LHS left hand side and this is the RHS. So x to the power minus whole to the power minus 3 कर देंगे is equal to root 2 plus 1 इधर से minus 3. So minus 3 cancelled. Minus 1 minus plus. So we can write x to the power minus 3 is equal to root 2 plus 1. Okay. So उनका वैल्यू कितना हो जाएगा देखिए x to the power minus 3 का हम लिख सकते हैं 1 by x to the power 3 is equal to root 2 plus 1. Okay, this is the equation 1. अभी मिल गया है 1 by x to the power 3 मिल गया. So x to the power 3 कितना हो जाता है ये उनका रिवर्स, that is equal to 1 by root 2 plus 1. Okay, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं root 2 minus 1 मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे ऊपर से भी न्यूमरेटर भी माइनस करेंगे. Okay, now root 2 minus 1 divided a plus b a minus b. So 2 minus 1 that is equal to root 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is equation 2. So now shortcut formula देखिए बिला बच्चे. If x is equal to, suppose x is equal to root 2 minus 1, so 1 by x should be just उनका रिवर्स हो जाएगा root 2 plus 1. Okay, so vice versa. If x is equal to root 2 plus 1, so 1 by x should be root 2 minus 1. Okay, this is the shortcut formula. Okay, so our question is x cube minus 1 by x to the power 3 का वैल्यू कितना है. So x cube का वैल्यू कितना है root 2 minus 1 minus root 2 plus 1. So now open the brackets. So minus 2 then minus 1. Okay, so minus root 2 plus root 2 cancel. So minus 1 that is equal to minus 2. So B is the correct answer. Okay, thank you. Then come to the number 6 questions. Very easy questions but tricky questions. What is the value of 8 to the power minus 25 and 8 to the power minus 26? Okay, so we can write minus 25 or minus 26. So minus 25 is greater than minus 26. So now we can take common here directly. 8 to the power minus 26 कॉमन ले जाएंगे. इधर से कितना रहेगा. सो माइनस 25 और माइनस 26 के गैप कितना है 1 गैप है. सो you can write by directly 8 minus 1. Okay, so our question directly this is equal to 8 to the power minus 26 times 7. So that is equal to 7 into 8 to the power minus 26. This is the answer. Okay. Thank you. बर्तमान जीवा पिला माने बच्चे जाएंगे नंबर 7 क्वेश्चंस देखिए 64 to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 32 to the power minus 4 by 5 उनका वैल्यू कितना है 1 by 8 3 by 8 1 by 16 3 by 16 so look at the solution 64 को हम लिख सकते हैं 8 to the power 8 का स्क्वायर 4 to the power minus 1 by 2 माइनस 32 को हम लिख सकते हैं इधर से माइनस 4 by 5 सो 5 को हटाना चाहिए सो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 5 minus 4 by 5 ओके सो 5 को कैंसिल करना चाहिए सो नाउ 2 cancels 5 cancels so now we can write 8 to the power minus 1 minus 2 to the power minus 4 so इसके वैल्यू कितना आ जाएगा देखिए that is equal to 1 by 8 minus 2 to the power 4 that is equal to 1 by 16 okay so 1 by 8 minus 1 by 16 LCM is 16 so cross हो जाएगा तो 16 minus 8 that is equal to 8 by 16 that is equal to देखिए 8 to the power 2 4 to the power 1 by 2 2 cancels now 2 to the power 5 this is so 2 to the power 4 ठीक है so 1 by 8 1 by 6 that is equal to 16 minus 8 divided by 16 into 8 so that is equal to 8 by 16 into 8 so 8 it cancels the 1 by 16 okay this is the answer so number 8 देखिए very interesting questions very tricky questions important questions 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 8 to the power n minus 1. Then what is the value of a? Very interesting question. Option 3, 2, 0, minus 2. Okay, so look at the questions. 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 8 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 3 whole to the power n minus 1. Okay, now the next step 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power इसको multiply हो जाएगा 3 times n minus 1. Okay, that is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 3n minus 1. Okay, now we can write the next very interesting step. 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power minus 3n minus 1 because we know that 1 by a is equal to 8 to the power minus 1. Okay, so apply this formula here. Now the next step 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to open the brackets. It will be 1 minus 3n 2 to the power. Okay, so now the base is equal, the power should be equal. So n minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 3n. Okay, so इधर से आ जाएगा तो 3n So sorry, 3n minus 3 is equal to 3n minus 3. So 3n minus 3. Sorry. Now 3 minus 3n. So now you can write here 4n is equal to, इधर से आ जाएगा तो 4 हो जाएगा. So 4 cancel, n is equal to 1. Okay. So option में नहीं है. So n should be 1. Option E. Okay. Option E. n is equal to 1. Okay. Thank you. Number 9 question देखिए. हमने कैलकुलेशन करिए. So n का वैल्यू पूछे 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 5 into 27 to the power 3 all divided by 3 into 81 to the power 4 is equal to 27. So what is the value of n? So look at the solutions. 9 to the power n times 3 to the power 5. 27 का हम लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 3 divided by 3 times 81 का हम लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power 4 to the power 4 is equal to 27. Okay, now the next step 9 to the power n 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 339 हो जाएगा all divided by 3 times 3 to the power 16 हो जाएगा is equal to 27. Okay, so now 9 का हम लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power 3 2n into तो power should be equal ऐड हो जाएगा 3 to the power 9 plus 5 14 इधर से 3 to the power 1 है 3 to the power 16 plus 1 that is equal to 17 is equal to 27 का हम लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power 3. So now in the next step we can write 3 to the power 2n into 3 to the power 14 3 to the power 17. So power should be minus. We know that 8 to the power n divided by 8 to the power n is equal to 8 to the power m minus n. So now 3 to the power 14 minus 3 to the power 17 is minus 17 is equal to 3 to the power 3. So now 3 to the power 2n times 3 to the power minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3. So now base is equal. So 3 to the power, we can write 2n minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3. So base are equals. So power should be equals. Now 2n minus 3 is equal to 3. So 2n is equal to इधर से आ जाएगा तो 6 हो जाएगा. So n is equal to 3. So n is equal to 3. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, thank you. Now come to the number 10 question. Last question देखिए. Very interesting questions. Very, very important questions. 2 to the power n plus 4 minus 2 to the power n plus 2 is equal to 3. What is the value of n? 2 minus 2, 0, 1. So look at the solution. So directly 2 to the power n plus 4 is the say n plus 2. So now we can take 2 to the power n plus 2 as common. So now इधर से n plus 4 n plus 2 चलेगा तो डायरेक्ट 2 to the power 2 रहेगा. अब 2 to the power 2 बचेगा minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so 2 to the power n plus 2. Now 2 to the power 2 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So this is equal to 3. So 3 cancel हो जाएगा इधर से 1. So 2 to the power n plus 2 is equal to 1. Very interesting. Now इधर से बेस इज 2, so इधर से बेस को 2 करना चाहिए. So now we can write 2 to the power n plus 2 is equal to 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 0, because we know that x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Apply this formula here. So now base are equal, so n plus 2 is equal to 0. So n is equal to, इधर से आ जाएगा तो -2. So this is the correct answer. Okay, thank you. आज हम 10 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दिया. I'll come to the next 10 questions tomorrow. Thank you. Subscribe the channels and share your friends if you satisfied. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.